Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be comparing Lovable, Bolt and Cursor. These are three popular AI tools in 2025 that are used for writing, coding and productivity. But which one actually gives you the best results? Let's just try to find that out in this quick and honest video. First of all, let's talk about Lovable. Lovable is actually designed for marketers, for creators, writers. It is like a co-pilot for generating the content ideas, drafting the post and writing the emails with a very clean UI. Their focus is on the speed, simplicity and good writing flow. If I talk about the downside, it is not built for the coders or the teams, more of a solo tool for writers. If we talk about Bolt, we can say it is an all-rounder. It actually mixes writing and coding with the automations built in. You can write script, you can generate blog posts, and even do the basic code edits. It feels like a slightly smarter ChatGPT with more task controls, especially useful for the power users and productivity fans. However, it's still new and sometimes the UI can feel a bit clunky. Next, we have the cursor that is built for the developers. If you are a coder or a technical writer, this one is for you. It works directly in your editor and it feels like an IDE with AI inside. It can fix bugs, explain the codes, and it actually helps you write the smarter logic in real time. But for non-coders, cursor might feel intimidating or unnecessary. So, which one is better? You can go for Lovable if you are a content creator or marketer. You can choose Bolt if you want a mix of AI writing and automation, and pick Cursor if you are a developer and no contest there. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give it a like, subscribe for more AI tools comparisons, and drop a comment if you want a deep dive into one of these. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.